Hello everyone and welcome to this first video of upload one video a day for 30 days challenge. Great. Thanks for anyone that's watching this. So this is not going to be so much about a tutorial, video tutorial. It's more about the things I'm currently working on right now and my processes. So if there's any process that you see on this video that you like and you would like a tutorial on, or you want me to expand a little bit more, feel free. So I have a few processes that I'm currently working on. I currently have. One of them is the way I get clients, which is my NAN workflow. I'll show you. So basically I've self-hosted NAN and I have a Vollna automation. So basically I'm using Vollna to deliver me RSS feed. So I have 1, 2, 3. I have one for Vue.js. I have one for front end, and I have one for Nuxt. So the way it works, it looks into the. I have a filter in Vollna, and when there is a potential job that's that fits my criteria and I'm fit for, he will send me a message to Telegram, and then I can just open it right away. I can open it on Telegram. I can just easily click on this and it would open it. Oh, I just doxed all my friends list on Telegram. I have to remove that. Anyway, so one of the tasks I have at the moment is I have a web application called Woocommerce sales report. And the way this works is basically a reporting system that puts lifetime value for customers. So it matches a customer and their sales history, their purchase history. It puts together an analytic. For example, the company owners know exactly when the client or the customer created an account, when was the first purchase, when was the last purchase, and all the purchasing history that specific customer has. So it just puts it together in a nice table. The users can export. As you can see here, they can export this, and they can. The export functionality is pretty nice because the customers can export, let's say, a Excel sheet straight into some sort of CRM system for accounting, so they can map fields and they can connect it with their accounting system all in one click. And if they have if they have more than one shop, which is common, that some e-commerce businesses, they have various shops and they need to merge all of the sales history together into one Excel file and then connect it to some sort of CRM system or some accounting system. They can do it here. It also it has the ability to sync it with MailerLite, the Mailgun, the CRM systems and email marketing companies. So you can easily connect it together. And as I mentioned, it has multi-store support. So basically in one dashboard, you can see multiple stores. You can have multiple views for your stores. And I guess this is available some of these features are already available for these companies in the Woocommerce, let's say, dashboard. I guess somewhere here, the analytics, they might be able to get all of this data here. But as you can see, when you have multiple stores, you can't have all of them here. So I guess there's one feature that's makes my application a little different than what's available through the WooCommerce analytic. Also, it's very hard to see lifetime history for customers without, exporting it and matching it all manually. So the web application that I created is already doing that for the customer. So as you can see here, no easy way to see customer a lifetime value, repeat buyers, blah 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 blah. That's very important. You want to see, as a business owner, you want to see your repeated customers, and you don't want to export the Excel file and do all the manual matching, and eventually in 3 or 4 days time you have the result that you wanted to see. Here is all done in one click. I would love to show you how it works. For example, I'm already logged into the application, as you can see, but I don't want to go in. I see. So yeah, I'm gonna have to remove this because some of this data is sensitive. So if I go to the dashboard, I have admin, like high level admin view, so I can see all the users and their stores. I can see all the users, and I can see all the stores that they have. So if I click here, that'll probably show me some data that perhaps is quite sensitive, and I don't want my clients to I don't want to dox this out. So I guess going back to the purpose of this video, I'm working on a automation. I need to develop a feature that I got from one of my users, that they want to be able to search by individual users. At the moment, they can see the list of customers and they can see what they bought, but to search right away, like individual customer, like right away put the email of that customer and get the data, it's not available. That feature's not there, but I can easily create it. However, I need to have some sample data to work with, right, to develop this feature. I don't want to do it the data that they have, because it's their data and so on. I don't want to have the access to see this data, right? One of the important features, or one important aspect of creating some sort of SaaS product like this, is that you don't accidentally leak data that's not yours. Anyway, so that's a whole nother topic. So just to wrap up, I don't have access to develop this feature because I've just recently launched this app. I don't have access to develop this feature with real customer data, but I can create my own WordPress locally. As you can see, this is running locally. I'm using local by Flywheel, and I'm spinning some. I have spun some WordPress site. I have this one, WordPress core, and here inside I want to upload some sample data. So I've been researching this, how to get this sample data. This is the theme I installed. It's just a free theme. I installed it and it's available here. So all I need is something that via the API, I can retrieve this data. I just need some sample data, basically. So I need basically order history, right? Purchasing order history. And I was just found this article by a business Bloomer or Bloomer. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm from Europe, so I'm limited. No. Anyway, so moving on. I wanted this video to be no more than 10 minutes long. This is my first video on this uploading one video a day challenge for 30 days. So I'm gonna leave it here, and tomorrow I'm gonna pick it up. If you want to continue with this series and this challenge and see how I'm tackling all of this, then you're more than welcome. If you have any questions about my processes, how I'm creating things, web app, what libraries I'm using, do I know WordPress? Do I know some JS library? Any questions you have, just leave them on the. Oh, and I can see I have a notification from Upwork on my. There we go. Look, you see, I have a notification right away, and if I click on it, open it. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I can see, this is posted 14 minutes ago. So, yeah, this is not quite what I want. Totally animator needed, 90 seconds. This is not relevant. I don't know why this is filtered through my filters, passed through my filters, but I will have to take a look at this on Vollna. Anyway, so here we go. Here I am. If you, like I said, if you want to continue this challenge with me, join me back tomorrow, and we'll see. We'll see. You will see how I'm tackling this feature, developing this feature. Great. Thanks. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.